Hi everybody, I am Mercedes and welcome back to my channel. So I finally did my faux locks hairstyle again. The video that I did a year or two ago probably has I think it has the most views on my channel. So obviously that was a very popular hairstyle. So if you are interested in seeing how I got a similar look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I finally decided to do my faux locks again, but this time, as you can see, I didn't do the shorter version. I actually did a little bit of a longer version, and I did it differently this time around. So number one, I did the look longer simply because my hair is a lot longer than it was 2 years ago, so the bob wasn't really gonna work for me. And I also wanted to try out different hair because it took me a really long time to do those faux locks in that previous video. I know it looks like it shouldn't have taken a long time because they were short, but it still took a while because that was the first time I did that look and I had no clue what I was doing. So this time around, I actually used this crochet here, and this is from Bobbi Boss. This is the Bomba Dreadlocks faux locks, and I picked up the color 1B. I actually ordered this hair from Amazon, and I ordered 6 packs of hair. I only used about 4.5 packs of hair, but this is what the hair looks like. And I have a piece here. This is what the hair looks like out of the packaging. So obviously this hair right here does not look like what I have going on, and that is because I actually took apart the crochet hair. I didn't actually crochet the hair onto my hair. So what I'm going to do is go step by step on what I actually did, and at the end of this video I'll actually show you guys what I do to put in. I left the last 3 faux locks out so that I can show you guys on camera. But all I did was simply take the hair and then just pull it all the way down, and when you do that you'll get a piece that looks something like this. And there's 1 or 2 things that you can do. For me, I took half of the crochet hair, I cut it in half, I took a piece and I just twisted my natural hair in with the crochet hair, and that's just so that I wasn't twisting over my natural hair, that it was kind of protected. But if you have longer hair than mine, then you might want to take the full piece, or if your hair is short, then you can just cut it in half like I did and even fold that piece in half to make it shorter. So that part is totally up to you. I just did it to protect my hair and to give my hair a little bit more fullness. And then once I did that, I took another piece of the crochet hair, split it again, but this time I kept it long, and then I just proceeded to wrap my twist with the crochet hair, and of course that gives you that faux lock look. Now another step that I did this time around, which I didn't do the first time, was after I wrapped the crochet hair around my twist, I then took some Marley hair, and you can use any kind of Marley hair. I used the Marley hair from my last Marley tutorial, which was this Jamaican pre-stretch hair. It was in a packaging that looked like this. So I just took a piece of that Marley hair and probably took a section half this size, and then I just retwisted the faux lock. And the purpose of me doing that was just to make it not so uniform, just to give it a little bit more texture so that it can look more natural. And then I also did that to taper the end of my faux lock. So all of my faux locks at the end, they kind of get skinnier at the bottom with, you know, actual dreads, how their hair would actually look. So I would twist it all the way down to the bottom really tight, and then twist it back up around itself to kind of secure it. And so you see here that is really secure, and then it ends with that curl at the end to make it look really natural. And I didn't use any glue or any heat or anything like that. All I did was just wrap that Marley hair around again at the end, and that's how it is staying. And I haven't had any problems with the hair unraveling or anything like that. It has stayed in, so I think that was a pretty good method to secure the Marley hair. But yeah, so I really liked how the hair ended up turning out. And yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. I kept the same parting space as the Marley twist that I had in my hair. So I have pretty chunky parts, but I still think it turned out pretty well. So I'm just gonna give you guys some angles. I would say that if I ever did this style again, I probably would make my parts smaller just so that I can have a little bit more volume in my hair. But overall, for what I am going for at this particular time, I think it looks pretty good. This is actually going to be the last protective hairstyle that I probably do for the summer, because my hair has been twisted up all summer long and I miss my natural hair, so I'm just ready to do some natural hairstyles for you guys. But yeah, I definitely wanted to come on and show you finally how I do my faux locks, and this time I did it a little bit differently. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys out there. I'll make sure to link the crochet hair that I use in the description box. And if you are interested in seeing exactly how I got this look, then please continue watching to the end of the video, because I will insert a clip so that you can actually see what I was doing. Again, I really appreciate all of you all's support, and thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time.